Season's greetings, friends. Or should I say season's treatings, because we are making a treat today. This is called holiday cake batter dip. And to make this, you need only a few things, not too much. You need a tub of whipped topping. You need a box of white cake mix. You need 8 ounces of cream cheese. You need a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2/3 cup of milk. And then some sprinkles for decorating it and making it look all fancy. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add our whipped topping into the bowl. Of course, you need your mixing bowl. Okay, now you'll want to make sure you have thawed out your whipped topping. And you also might want to soften your cream cheese as well so that it's easier to mix. So we're going to pop those right in the bowl. And of course, as always, make sure you have washed your hands before you cook. I know I wash my hands first. Okay, so we have cream cheese and we have the whipped topping in there. So now we're going to add our box of cake mix right inside there. All right, and then you will either want to use a hand mixer or a whisk. I'm going to use a hand mixer because I find that a little bit easier. So I'm going to mix it up right now, but I'm going to stop the video so that you don't hear my loud mixer. All right, everyone, as you can see, I have mixed it. So you want to make sure that all of your cake mix has been mixed in there so there's no powder all over. And then you're going to get 2/3 cup of milk and you're going to pour that right in there and you're going to continue mixing. Next, you will want to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then mix it up some more. Check that out. It is all mixed up. Now I am ready to pour it into my serving bowl. All right, I have put it into a serving bowl, and now the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some sprinkles across the top to make it look all pretty. There we go. There we go, season's treatings. Now, if you want, you can pick whatever you want to dip inside of your cake batter dip. You can have a cookie or like a gingerbread man or some type of fruit, whatever you want to try. I've got some apples here, so I'm going to take some right off the spoon and I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see. Good stuff. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.